What is going on, you guys? Josh here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and a live deposit on Seletti.ai. We're going to go through this in as much detail as we can, and then we're going to go ahead and make a deposit. And by the end of this video, you should be able to make an informed decision, as well as doing your own research too. That goes without saying. To make an educated decision on whether this is a project for you or not. Do not construe what I say in this video as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube in the crypto world showing you guys exactly what I'm doing, my successes and failures inside of the crypto space. So if we go over to Seletti.ai, you guys can see this is the home page. You can launch the dApp right here. Also, you can launch the dApp here. You got the white paper, the about section, statistics section, FAQ, and you have the contact page right here. What we're going to do first off is we're going to go over the actual white paper. So if we jump over here to the white paper, you can see there's the introduction video right here. And this explains what Seletti AI is. Seletti AI represents a groundbreaking approach to democratizing investment access to private markets. By bridging blockchain technology and real-world assets together, Seletti AI is poised to reshape the portfolio management landscape, making it more inclusive and efficient. Seletti AI is the new BlackRock for Web3. So there's a few different funds that you can deposit into. If we go over here to the actual dApp, this is the dApp that I'm in right now, and you can access that by clicking on Launch dApp. It'll take you to this page right here. I do love the interface of the website. Their attention to detail looks really, really nice. But you can see if we're on the home page here, we've got lifetime earnings, we've got profit today, balance, total staked right here, and we can obviously unstake, reinvest, and we can withdraw right here. Also, we've got the date listed. If we click on Index Vault, these are the different index funds that we can go ahead and we can deposit into. You've got the Innovation Fund that pays 1.25% daily. You can see the fund strategy right here, and this is where you would connect your wallet. We've also got the Flagship Real Estate Fund that is currently paying 0.9% per day. We've got the Opportunistic Credit Fund, and also you can see the TVL daily change on each of these as well. This one's up 5.53%. The daily ROI on this is 0.7%. And the Seletti Growth Fund 7 is down, it looks like. The daily TVL change, that's the total value locked, is down 11.34%. And you can see the total TVL right here, the daily ROI, and again, the fund strategy right here. Again, if we go here, you can see the TVL on this fund that I didn't mention, the TVL on this fund, and the TVL on this fund right here. So you've got the profit calculator as well right here based off of your plan and your staking amount and the period. You can select the days right here. So let's say this is 10 days and the staking period right here, 10. This would be our profit after 10 days based off of the Opportunistic Credit Fund. So you can see the profit percentage, the total balance right here after the profit, and you can see what you would get if you go ahead and compound your earnings. Now, I'm sure probably each of these require a minimum amount depending on the fund. I'm sure each of these will require, one might require $500, one might require $1,000, so on and so forth. But let's go ahead and let's dive into the white paper a little bit more. This talks about their approach with an intuitive design and seamless functionality. Seletti AI empowers users to explore a wide range of well-diversified investment portfolios that have been meticulously crafted by seasoned professionals in the field. A combination of accessibility and professionalism makes Seletti AI an ideal choice for both beginners seeking a safe entry point into the crypto market and experienced investors looking to enhance their portfolios with carefully curated investment instruments. So then what is DeFi, the challenges with decentralized finance or centralized finance in this case, and the team experience. So Seletti AI has a seasoned team with a meaningful 20 plus years of experience in technology, programming, and traditional asset portfolio management. And again, you guys can go through this in more comprehensive detail on your own time if you wish to do so. I want to just try and get to the meat and potatoes right here in this specific video. So you've got the different diversified portfolios listed here. You've got private credit, private equity, you've got real estate, Seletti Capital, and you have the Seletti PAM account right here. Okay. And then you have their specific products right here under the index vault. So you have the Innovation Fund, which has the class rewards daily. The minimum is 25,000, maximum. There's not a maximum amount. Management fee is 15% of dividends. You've got pre-IPO, late stage, early stage, and Seletti Capital for cash reserves right here. And you've got Seletti PAM account. It looks like 12.6% goes into there. And then you've got the fund strategy. Then the flagship real estate fund. You can see the minimum right here, the maximum here. And again, you guys can go through this in more detail. The opportunistic, you've got 250 to 5,000 and all the specifics right here for that. And then you have the growth fund, which is the minimum and maximum right here. I believe what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do the opportunistic credit fund, and we're going to go ahead and deposit $500. And that's what I'm willing to risk. So we're going to go ahead and risk $500, and we'll kind of document our journey on how well this credit fund actually performs. So again, we got 50 to 250 here with the growth fund, 250 to 5,000 here. We've got 5,000 to 25,000 and then 25,000 plus. So I'm going to be more conservative. I'm going to start with the opportunistic credit fund. So let's go ahead and let's do that right now. So again, we're over on the vaults section here, the index vault. And again, we are going to go ahead and do the opportunistic credit fund. So let's go ahead and select that. It's up 5.53% right now. And we're going to go ahead and connect wallet. We're going to connect our MetaMask wallet, and we're going to go ahead and make our deposit. I'm connecting right now, as you can see right here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to do 500. Again, there's going to be the official link below to Seletti. Make sure you use that link and that link only. Other links, in different groups around the internet could be potential scams. So just make sure you use that one in the description below if you want to go ahead and jump on board. Again, this is going to be the first video of many on Seletti. So hopefully, this works out well for us. So you can see the TVL right here so far. This is just getting started, by the way, you guys. This just launched 5 days ago, and they just barely started doing their marketing for it. So, we're new to the party. So if you like the idea of being new to things, always, of course, deposit what it is that you can afford to lose. But we're going to go ahead and do 500. We're going to click on deposit. And this is, in fact, on the Binance Smart Chain network. Okay. So the spending cap is going to be 500. We're going to keep that there. We're going to click on approve. So again, make sure that you're connected to the Binance Smart Chain. Make sure that you have Tether in your wallet, because we are using Tether here to make our deposit. Again, BEP20 Tether. We're going to go ahead and confirm, and you can see that the deposit is in progress. So this specific fund strategy, it says dramatic shifts in the macro environment over the past 12 months have led to a once-in-a-decade dislocation in credit markets. Today, due primarily to significantly higher interest rates, many sponsors are facing liquidity shortfalls and are in need of near-term financing solutions to pay down existing loans or recapitalize certain assets. With far more borrowers in search of this kind of capital than there are lenders willing to provide it, the cost of borrowing has skyrocketed. This in turn has created a rare window of opportunity for well-capitalized investors willing to fill this gap and offer some of the most attractive risk adjusted returns of the past 10 years. Again, you see the allocation right here. We're seeing the historical TVL rate, and you can see that the TVL just went up because I went ahead and I made my deposit. So if we go home right here, we should soon be able to see our funds that are available as far as for withdraw, our profit, and you can see our current balance is $500 right here. So if you want to follow my journey here with my crypto passive income platforms, including Seletti.ai, make sure that you join the Telegram group below because I give more frequent play-by-play updates there. And also you want to make sure you subscribe and tick the bell icon so you're notified of every time I do an update on these different projects. Again, all the resources are below to get started with Seletti, as well as more information to get started with crypto and this crypto passive income space. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye now.